Do you have any information on getting an ISP for a private school for kindergarten in New Jersey? They do have to provide. Do they have to provide a similar amount of services? My district still does not have full day kindergarten and guarantee for all students. If I choose to have him in full day, it'll have to be in a private school.
So you have to be very careful when you give up your procedural rights and safeguards when you don't have a child in public school. So in private school, there's a limit to what the obligation is. There's certainly a requirement that we test, right? But it really is, it's dependent on the special education director in that city, county, or state, what services, if any, are delivered. An ISP, while they're less, you have to quantify it, right? So most states, kindergarten is not a required year. So in Texas, kindergarten is not a requirement. So I would go to state compliance and email them to get the specificity in your state.